So hello, today is gonna be, this is my code, and I read the first time, initially I read the question, which is like, ask us to draw a line like, this one, it might looks like a little bit weird to me, because, I don't know, for this tutorial is pretty easy, but it's very hard to write a small line here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna so should we gonna add more colors, like the background is green? Yeah, let's do it. So T background color, let's do G green, and let's make our total like T color, which is BLE, and let's also write our change this one to green, and this one is blue, and white is green, this one is blue, white is green, oh sorry, green, back is blue, so white is green. Yeah, white is was used to be like my background color, but I realized that white should be changed to green, so I'm changing it. And it is blue. Let's run this to try this right or not. Sorry. Let's try this. Let's open it up. Okay. Oh, it says no background color. So, I think WN should be our background color. Let's run this. Yeah, I think we're right. Just, I think it's light green. Light green. Yeah, let's do it. Oops. Yeah, I think it is right, but we just need like I think we just need to change like T. That should be perfect. Let's run this again to check if it is right. Yep, I think we make it. Just yeah, I think we made it. It's actually same as what it used to be. Yeah, I think we just made it. Yeah, the reason I write this like color and for word is to like expand, like to show you like how to write a small line here. The shape like the 13 shapes here are pretty easy, but the only problem is like a little line here. And I write a range 12, which means it will run up 12 times. And at the end I write just like I don't know how to say the problem is, but just like the line gonna be like mixed up, the green and blue gonna mixed up, so I just at the end I'm gonna just like restamp the total. So, and That is how I do it. Alright, thank you.